So we're going to draw Pua from the movie Moana. You'll need a piece of paper and a pencil or a marker. I'm going to use my Sharpie. So when you're ready, we're going to draw the top of Pua's head right here. Now, Hey Hey is sitting on top of him, but we're just drawing Pua right here. And I have another video where I show you how to draw Hey Hey. And I'll try to put that link in the description if you want to look at that later. But right now we're doing Pua, so we're going to do the very top of his head right here. So every time I draw a line, you draw a line on your paper too. Okay. So here's the top of Pua's head. Now we're going to do the sides of Pua's face. So it's sort of a sharp C shape, like the letter C. So we're going to start on this side here. And we're going to draw the letter C, like that. And we'll do the same on the other side of his face, but it's a backwards letter C, right? Just like that. And leave the space right here so we can draw his tongue in about a minute. So come back up here, we're going to do his ears. So we're going to start right here and draw a curvy line coming down. And my Sharpie's a little bit dry. Let me get another one. Okay. After you draw that curvy line, you're going to start at the very bottom of that curvy line and draw a diagonal line out to the right. It's really short though, really short line. Okay, once you have that, we're going to start at the end of that short line, and we're going to draw a curvy line coming back down to his face, or right down to his cheek, so like this. And now we can connect a line right here. So that's the top of his ear, and that's inside his ear right there. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side of his face. It's the same shapes, but they're in a slightly different place. So when we start to draw the curvy line right here, this one, but right here, we're going to go up a little bit further. See how this is higher than this one? And then we'll draw that diagonal short line right there at the end. And then we're going to draw a curvy line coming down to his cheek. And then we can draw the line that connects to his face. Now you can kind of smooth that out a little bit, make it a little bit curvier right there on the tip of his ear. That's okay. Now I can't erase, but you probably can if you're using a pencil. So now we're going to do Pua's eyes. His eyes are really far apart from each other, so one's way over here and the other one way over here. His eyes are almost a half circle. It's a little more than a half circle, so I'm going to start right here, do like a half circle here, and his other eye is a little bit lower, so another half circle right here. And then a straight line at the bottom of that half circle. He has large pupils that are round circles. Now we do his eyebrows. There's one right here. And this one here. He has a spot around his eye, so let's do that little spot. It's a triangle shape. He has a spot up here on the top of his ear, also like a narrow triangle shape. He's got some other spots right here. They look like small squares from this point of view. He's got a little bit of a spot showing right here. He has some little hairs right here. I can't tell if it's inside his ear or just on the side of his face, but he's got a couple of little hairs there. So next is his nose. His nose is right in the middle. So we're going to start right up here between his eyes, curvy shape. We're going to draw a letter C again, and a backwards letter C. Nostrils are ovals. I'm just going to connect that shape. Okay, so we're going to start to do his mouth. We're going to start over here on the left side. We're going to draw a curvy line that goes to his nose. And another curvy line that also connects to his nose, but on the other side. Okay, on the corner of his nose, we're going to draw a diagonal line that's short. And the same on the other side, diagonal line that's short. Okay, so now we're going to do the tongue. So you should have already left a space right here. If you haven't left a space, you can just erase it if you're using pencil. Alright, so I'm going to start right here, right in the middle. I'm going to put a little dot so you can see where I'm going to start to draw the line. I'm going to draw another letter C. So I'm going to start on that dot and go all the way around and down. And same on this side. And just connect it, so there's his tongue. So now we can do Pua's legs. We'll start with the leg on this side. It's almost right underneath his ear. That's where it starts. Curvy line. Diagonal line. Curvy bump. Diagonal line. Leave a space right here so we can draw his tummy later. Let's do his hooves. Short line. Straight across. Short line. Curvy line. Let's do his other leg over here. It starts right here. I'll just put a little dot. Curvy line. Diagonal line. Bump. Diagonal line going almost all the way to his tongue. Let's do his hoof. Straight line. Straight line across. Curvy line. So now we can draw it here. Let's just do a U shape. Extend my leg a little bit. It might look better if I just kind of. There we go. He's got a few spots. You can do those. And over here. I'm just going to color in his eyes black. Just going to thicken his eyebrows a little bit. And color in his spots. If you have something to color with, you can go ahead and color him in. I just have my Sharpies